So in this video, we're comparing the NCAA Football 14 with the upcoming College Football 25. Let's see which one's better. NCAA 14 was released in 2013 and is known for its smooth, nostalgic gameplay. But College Football 25 is bringing next-gen graphics with the Frostbite engine, promising realistic player animations and stunning stadiums. NCAA 14's Dynasty Mode and Road to Glory are fan favorites, but College Football 25 will reintroduce these, possibly with new features and an online multiplayer mode. And NCAA 14 uses old rosters. College Football 25, on the other hand, is launching with updated rosters and player likenesses, thanks to the new NIL rules. So if you're all about nostalgia, NCAA 14 is a classic, but for a modern experience, College Football 25 could be the new go-to.